in the past. Future in the past. Yeah? Okay. So, here we have the formula. Yeah? Please. Colleague, can you make the formula? Please come here. Yeah? Take the magnets. What do you put at first? Plus. What do you put? Look here. Formula. He's putting plus. Why do you do that? No. Yeah. If the plus. Plus simple. And plus. Good. Infinitive. Yeah. Read the sentence. Read the sentence.
If plus
No,
simple.
read the sentence.
If I had time, I would help you.
I would help you. Okay, thank you very much. So, can you make some sentences?